Question 3 of this exercise says if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius, also find the area of the sheet. So in this question basically we have to find the radius when the circumference is given, and after finding the radius we have to find the area of the sheet. So let's start finding the radius. So we know the formula to find the circumference is basically 2 pi r. And the circumference is given in the question, that is 154 meter, that equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So from here we will get the value of r, that is 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. And after solving this we will get the value of radius, that is 24.5 meter. So that will be the radius of the circle. Now we just have to find the area of the circle when the radius is known. We know the formula to find the area, that is pi r square, or we can say 22 by 7 into 24.5 whole square. So when we solve it, we will get the area of the circle as 1886.5 square meter. So that will be the area of the circle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.